Hello my friends, in this video I'll show you how to send an email in Gmail app on your phone. I want this video to be complete, so I will teach you all the tips and tools for writing an email. Before I start the video, please subscribe to my channel right now. Don't forget to like and comment as well. Let's get started. Open Gmail app. In the first page, click on Compose button. In this section, enter the email address of the person you wish to send an email to. You can send the email to multiple people. Enter the subject of your email in this section. In this section, you need to write the content of your email. You can also use emojis and symbols when writing an email. If you want to attach a file to your email, tap on this button. You can attach a file from your phone or insert a file from Google Drive, or you can insert a photo from your gallery. If you want to delete the attached file, move the pointer to the line after it and press the delete key. There are two ways to send an email. One way is quick send and the second way is a scheduled send. To send with schedule, tap on three-dot icon and tap schedule send. You can choose default times or you can tap on pick date and time and choose your time. By clicking on schedule send, email sent with schedule. Now, to send email quickly, you have to tap on this button and email sent. To see the emails you sent, tap on the menu and go to the sent section. You can see all emails you sent here. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and leave a comment. Have fun, buddy!